We are at Dollar Tree. They have amazing graduation decor. These are some really cute wall hangings. The best is yet to come. Congrats, grad, you made it. I love these. They are kind of transparent, but they are super cute to use. They have this beautiful graduation headbands for you guys. Beautiful graduation glasses that says congratulations, graduate 2023. I'm done. Super cool. So don't miss out on those goodies, guys. And congratulations to all of our grads for 2023. They do have all of your party accessories, the table, cloth, the silverware. They have the pics that say class of 2023, the inflatable decor here that says congratulations, it's still inflate. And Dollar Tree is really great about if you buy the balloons from here, they will inflate them for you for free. Party poppers, that's really nice. They have these really cute lanyard gordons for your keys and things. Also these cute stickers to put on windows and different areas for decorating. They have the confettis in the two different colors, the gold and black. They have the multi, I love that. They have these really beautiful necklace colliers for 2023, and they have it in that beautiful blue here and black, and then they have it in the gold and black. Really cute wands that says 2023, the future looks bright. Go out and shine. Congrats, grad 2023 in the two different colors. They also have these really cute photo prop pics that they can take photos with. You can use these as cake toppers, different different for different decor items when you guys decorate your party table. So those are super cute. Swirly decorations, a set of 3. This really cute centerpiece here. They have the banner for 2023, the tassel garland, which is super cute. Foam scatter, where you can scatter the decoration, scatter all over the party tables and things. Super cute. Decorate bags with them. Party favors for the guests. They have the best is yet to come yard stakes, or again, you can decorate your party tables and party area with those. Goodbye school, hello future. They also have these multicolor banners. They have paper cutouts, glitter cutouts, swirly decorations in the multicolors as well. Happy graduation. They also have these really cute hanging decorations with the hats, which is really cute. Class of 2023 with the little sparkles coming from them. Hanging decorations. More beautiful hanging decorations. I love these paper lantern, guys. They have it in the white. Here it says graduate class of 2023, and then they have the black and gold. They do have one here for display. Look how stinking cute these are. You guys can put tea light candles in these and light these up. Those will be beautiful. So they are very quality. It does have a really hardened plastic here to hang those. This is perfect for decoration. Congratulations, it's time to celebrate. So again, they have it here in the black and gold. And then they have that multicolors. That's really cute. Some beautiful signs. Can you put that back for me, bud? Beautiful signs. Just graduated 2023. These are wooden. Well done, graduate. I love that one. That is very quality looking. It's glittered out. They have the 2023 graduate sign that is also wood. In the blue, they have this fuchsia pink, and then they have the gold and black. So that is really awesome. More headbands and gift bags. The garland here, and then they have some photo hanging signs. So these are perfect for taking photos and having a backdrop. Yeah, and some really beautiful gift bags, guys. Look at the quality of these gift bags. They're glittered out. They feel super good. I mean, this is definitely a party store quality. So don't miss out on these because they are going fast, as you can see. Love all those colors. So I'm going to pull back and just let you guys see those goodies. My phone call. Right below us here, we have these really cute graduation doggies. How cute are these, guys? It says grad on there with his cute little hat. They have him in brown and black, and they also have the unicorn. Super cute for our younger grads, or if the kids just like the unicorns, and that says grad in gold, black, and white. Love it. Don't miss out on these beautiful tinseled graduation hats. It does have the tassel on there, and it says grads. Super cute. Those can be used in a gift bag or just for decoration on the tables as well. They are pretty stocked up on those, as you can see. They have these beautiful photo frames. These are typically the ones they would have every year, but they did add these this year, which are super cute. Best is yet to come. And it's chalkboard, so you can write on here, happy to sign it. They have this beautiful one back here with this beautiful flower hat, happy graduation. I love those. And then they have this really cool one with a tassel, and you can put a photo there. So really great finds there. They have LED figure candles for the cakes, and those are gone. As you can see, it's only 4 left. Those are a really great deal. They have the keychain tassels with the 2023 on there. That is a really good basket stuffer for the kids as well. I love these tabletop decor signs. The quality is super great. It's really rich in color. They do stand up, and they do have the tassel. How cute is that? The tassel was worth the hassle. And then they have this really cute sign here, congrats grads. So super adorable. Don't miss out on these because, like I said, they are going very quick. So let you guys see these goodies down here again. We just kind of went over. They do have these really cute rubber duckies, 2023. The gnomes, guys, look at the gnomes. How cute are them? It says congrats and grad. She has her beautiful hair. He has his little mustache. I love those. They have the paperweights. And that's pretty much it. That's all I'm seeing right now for the graduation section. They do have these beautiful mugs here, guys, that are perfect to add to their baskets as a nice basket stuffer. It says reach for the stars. The best is yet to come. Congratulations, it's time to celebrate. And those are all I'm seeing right now, but those are really cute, and they have these beautiful sippy cups. Hats off to the grads, class of 23, so that is adorable. And then I'm only seeing 2 colors. The tassel was worth the hassle. So those are really nice as well. So definitely grab those while you can. Don't miss out on these goodies. If you like the content that you saw today, please like, share, and subscribe. We'd love to have you as a part of our family. Have a wonderful rest of the day, and we'll see you next time, Gems. Bye.